Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeah, I know the beginning few seconds had some sort of disturbance, but yeah, again, welcome back, and we'll continue with the where we left in the last video, where I said you that we'll be doing the queries in the computer. Now I've opened my Windows PowerShell and the Mongo shell is running in the background. So now first thing what you have to do is creating a database. You simply have to type use, give a space, and any name, give any name, it will take that. Girlfriend, girl. Friend. Ladies can say boyfriend. See, switch to database girlfriend. So now what I can do? db.createCollection. Oh, the spelling mistake. Oh, no spelling. Just one extra word was added. Oh, collection. I can hear. My girlfriend. Oh. Why am I typing to it? I think I need one. Anyways, my girlfriend. See, okay, so now I'm in the collection my. So what I can do? db dot. I have to type this again. That's the problem when you create big thing. But boys are actually enjoying this, I'm sure. Dot insert one. Okay, so insert one. See, insert one. This is the function. Within this function, I have to put the document. Okay, so we studied, right? So see here, database. This is the database. My girlfriends is the collection. This is the collection, and whatever I'm gonna give within this flower bracket is the document. So let us say name. Or should be our girlfriend's first girlfriend name. Okay, so I can put serial number equals to 1 or ID equals to 1. Let us put that ID 1, comma. I'll give name. So name, what's the most famous Indian name? So let us go for foreign names. Let us just not upset our Indian people, women. Like they'll be like, why did they take this woman's name? Why didn't they take my name? So what should be the first name? Let us take Elizabeth. See, I don't know the spelling, so just go like that, comma. Age is letter B 20. Should be more than enough. Yeah. Obviously she's white, but we didn't. Do we have to add much? It's enough, right? So see, acknowledge, true. So now suddenly you just got lucky and you find multiple girlfriends at the same time. So what do you have to do? Insert many. When you insert many, you have to open an array. Okay, like this. See, just see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'll just copy this at the same time, and I remove this. See, I'll show you. So what you have to do, first the function will be there, then you will be putting the square bracket. Inside the square bracket you have to put this flower bracket. You just have to put one. I'm putting in advance. So see, I'm to explain you. So this is one document, another document, another document. Here I can now actually write. So here, then, so now see, if I try to give the ID as one for all, it won't work because I have already given the ID as one, so it won't acknowledge. So I'll give it to, oh shit, man, like seriously, accidentally touched the what to say, down arrow mark, and it will automatically go there. Oh, okay, so ID is 2 and the name, what should I say? We'll say Alexandra. Okay, let her be 21. The name looks like kind of big type, comma, paste it again. The next person, let it be 19. She should be someone young. Let us put the name as bro, why don't I know any girl name? Seriously? Okay, any Hollywood actress do I know? Shit, I know none, man. Anyway, let us go with Alice. The ID, let her be 2. Okay, so will it give an error? Yeah. Insert many is not a function. Shit, wrong spelling. I know you might have been saying like, bro, you have typed wrong, but I didn't know, man. Insert many. Yeah, acknowledge true. So now I just want to check how many girlfriends I have. What will I do? See, db dot my girlfriend collection name dot find. I just want to find them. Oh, I found all of them. Lol. See, all are here. Some see, it's very coincidental. Like they all are together. Yeah, it never happens. Okay, so update over. So here, Elizabeth, Alexandra, and so we did creating collection database, and we did insert one, insert many. We did find. So we have to do find one. Why do I have to find all of them? I just want to find one. I want to find one. Uh, I have to give a field, so it should match that field, and that particular field should come. So I will say ID one. Okay. So it gives the ID one person is who? Elizabeth, like that. So find many, you don't have to type find many. Yeah, you can use that find many where, and put the, how to say, let me just tell you, show you. Okay. Find many where, see, age. Okay. Then I'll open another bracket where age is, less than 21. Oh, find many is not a function. Oh, you cannot just do that. Sorry, bro. Instead of find many, you can, remove this find, bro. Just put like this. See, you don't have to type find many. You just have to put find and all the people within that age. So now we'll do update. Okay. Uh, update one. Update. Oh, sorry. Update one. First, put this. Then put this. So first, for updating, you need two values. One to match with the particular thing, and then the other field which you want to update. So I'll say where ID equals to 1, update what? Update age as 21. So now see here, as you can see, Elizabeth age is 20. So now after this query, what will be her age? Update document requires atomic operators. Update 1 atomic. So it's saying me to oh set shit. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to mention the main thing. So here you have to write like this, put the dollar symbol and type set and do like this. So now it will give us true. Oh, see, one mistake. So I can do like that now. Yeah. Hey, what is this? It took so much. Update 1. Yeah, I don't want that. Why did it put 2 times? What is happening? My update 1 where ID goes to 1, set age 21. So what mistake I did? I forgot to put the round bracket. See, acknowledge true. So now what I'll do? I'll put the find 1 ID equals to 1. Now see, her age became 21. Okay, age has 10. So now see update 1. Now what we'll do? We'll do update many. Update many where set age. So ID update many where ID should be like greater than 1. Shall we do like that? Where ID is, put the dollar symbol, greater than 1. Where ID is greater than 1, set age equals 21. Okay, so now if I put find, I'll remove this 1 and I'll just put find. So everyone's age should be 21 right now, right? See, like that. So now what I'll do, I'm bored with Alice. So what I'll do, I'll delete her. Okay, so what I'll do, ID equals to, what's the ID of Alice? That is 3, right? So okay, let me put this. Instead of update, what will I do? I'll just put delete, delete, delete. See, my db.myground.delete 1 ID 3. Acknowledge true. Now find. Wait, why is she still here? ID. Oh, there's no woman with ID 3. I gave ID 2 for both of them. Bro, who is speaking this? AI? AI is just going. Sorry, I shouldn't have put. It should be 2. So both of them we will delete it. So what? Let us do something. we'll do the update one where id equals to we can't do it, bro. It's so sad. Okay, anyways, delete one where id equals to 2. Okay, so see, we have two IDs, so what will it do? The first one, if I'm not wrong. So now fine. So Alice is still here, but I wanted to get rid of Alice, but she's still here, like an X. Okay, so anyways, so delete one. Same way I can do delete many, and I have to see instead of in place of update many, where ID is greater than 1. That's it. You don't have to put this. I'll remove this where ID is greater than 1. What I'll do? Delete many. DELETE, delete many. So I don't want anyone. I'm very loyal to Elizabeth. Okay. See, only she remains. I hope you understood all this concept. It's very good, right? So I have here the all the list. I'll be putting that in the description, so you don't have to worry all the queries. We'll see in the next video.